Aerophone. Any musical instrument that produces sound primarily by causing a body of air to vibrate. Chordophone. Any musical instrument that makes sound by way of a vibrating string or strings stretched between 2 points. Form. The structure of a musical composition. Idiophone. Any musical instrument which creates sound primarily by way of the instrument vibrating by itself. Kulinthon. An ancient instrumental form of music composed on a row of small, horizontally laid gongs that function melodically, accompanied by larger, suspended gongs and drums. Membranophone. Any musical instrument which produces sound primarily by way of a vibrating stretched membrane. Meter. The pattern of beats that combines to form musical rhythm. Rasa Sayang. A song that literally means loving feeling. This Malay folk songs by Mary Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. Tempo. The spread or pace of a given piece of music. Texture. The effect of the different components of a piece of music, such as melody, harmony, rhythm, or the use of different instruments. Timbre. The quality of color of tone of an instrument or voice. Tonality. The relationship between the notes and chords of a passage or work that tends to establish a central note or harmony as its focal point. Anchor. A substance mixed with paint to soften the gold so it adheres more smoothly. Artisan. A skilled manual worker, a craftsperson. Alto. A form of relief sculpture almost completely carved from its surface. It is highly shaped, with very little of the structure touching the base or plane. Batik. An art medium and methodology for creating design, usually on cloth, by applying wax to portions of the material and then dyeing it, then removing the wax. This can be done to make vibrant colors and incredible designs. Bima. The second son of King Panduan Wayang Kulit. Kontayang. To tilt or turn. Dalan. A puppet master, a shadow master, a literary and linguistics master, and a leader. Dye. A substance used to color materials, also called dyes tough. Folk art. Art originating among the common people of a nation or region and usually reflecting their traditional culture and history. Gamelan. An integral part of all cultural activities in Java such as wayang kulit, leather puppet, performance, court dance, ayan, symphony orchestra performance, etc. Hull. Khmer clothing, defined by its myriad of designs in a single piece of fabric. Ikat. A method of printing woven fabric by tie-dyeing the warp yarns, warp ikat, the weft yarns, weft ikat, or both, double ikat, before weaving. Indochina. A peninsula of southeastern Asia that includes Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. King Pandu. The younger brother of King Dratharishtra who rules Hastinapur. Loi Krathong. A festival in Thailand. Mahabharata. An epic that tells of ancient India. Mengkuang. A huge pandan-like plant that grows along the back mangroves and is also found in Malaysia. Merlion. Is a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, used as a mascot and national personification of Singapore. Its name combines mer meaning the sea and lion. Papier-mâché. A material made from paper pulp or shreds of paper mixed with glue or paste that can be molded into various shapes when wet, and becomes hard and suitable for painting and varnishing when dry. Ramayana. One of the two great Indian epics that tells about life in India around 1000 BCE. Relief. The projection of forms or figures from a flat ground, so that they are partly or wholly free of it. Sin. The simple elegant ankle-length skirt worn by Lao women. Silapin. Thailand artist. Sky lantern. A small hot air balloon made of paper with an opening at the bottom where a small candle or fire is placed. It is used for some Southeast Asian events. Songkok. A cap widely worn in Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, the southern Philippines and southern Thailand, mostly among Muslim males. Wayang kulit. A type of puppet shadow play performed around the Indo-Malayan archipelago, tracing its origins to India. It is derived from a Javanese Hindu-Buddhist tradition, where handcrafted leather puppets depict epic stories of the gods in shadow play. A traditional gamelan orchestra can accompany the storytelling. Wow! A traditional kite that is especially popular in the state of Kelantan, on the east coast of Malaysia. Wayang golek. Wooden doll puppets that are operated from below by rods connected to the hands.
Thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Click the subscribe button para updated, mag-like, at mag-comment below. Kung gusto niyo shout out, kung mayroon kayong suggestions at katanungan, just comment below. Maraming salamat po.